Oh, sige, Erika, happy birthday! Ayan, kagagawan to ng iyong bagong, you know.
Sino ba may birthday si Erika para?
Oo, yata.
Erika Ognamia. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Erika!
Tahan ka lang.
O, kantahan natin.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Happy!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Kai, happy birthday. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa iyong karawan, sana ay lagi kang masaya. Maging matagumpay sa lahat sa landas ng iyong napili. Naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng Diyos. Happy birthday ulit. Sana ay malasing mo kami.
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Love life.
Ano sabihin mo kasi? Happy birthday, tita! Miss you, love you, dalaw ka po!
Ingat ha. Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hi, happy birthday. I wish you success in every aspect of your life. Konti na lang, madadagdag mo na sa pangalan mo yung MCE. Kaya mo.
Hi, Erika. Happy birthday. Shot na tayo.
Hi Erica, happy birthday! Grabe, na araw-araw ang text ni Harold Kinukulit niya ako. Gawin ko na daw to. Anyway, gusto ko naman talaga na batiin ka ng happy birthday and I love you. Sana maging masaya ka. Feeling siya. Oh my God. Okay na to. Tama na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Wow.
Walang buhay, wala na si Harold. Ayan.
Happy birthday. Saan ka na nakapaghanda?
It's James. I just want to wish you the happiest birthday, and I want to say thank you for everything, for being so nice to me. I hope to see you soon.
Tina, happy birthday. By the way, it's me, John Lloyd. It's John Lloyd. Gusto nyo nang batiin ng happy birthday. A big one, a big celebration. Enjoy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sana mas marami pang blessings na darating sa buhay mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ikaw joke lang. Sobrang solid ka. Sasabi lang happy birthday, God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo. And sana kung may party, invite mo muna ako. Makain ka. Happy birthday, God bless. Stay sweet, stay fun.
How are you? Chris Evans here. How you doing? So I heard you're a big fan of Captain America. Great taste. Clearly you're a very smart girl. I just want to tell you that I hope you're hanging in there and you're staying strong and you're staying brave. You're so brave. You're more brave than the rest of us in the Avengers. So we just want to let you know we're all looking up to you, okay? So hang in there, kiddo. Okay, hope you're doing good. Bye-bye.
I'm Chris Hemsworth. I'm sorry I can't be there in person, but I'm glad we have the perfect representative there today. In my brother. Don't talk too much, have a great time, and just try not to steal my thunder when you get there, okay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Erika, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw. Ano? Para sa'yo to. Hindi ko na papahabain yung message ko. Ibibigay ko na sa'yo personally kasi. Yan lang, happy birthday. See you later. Happy birthday to you. I love you, baby.
this time, this place, misused mistakes, too long, too late. Who was I to make you wait? Just one chance, just one breath, just in case there's just one left. 'Cause you know, you know, you know I love you. I loved you all along. I miss you. Been far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. On my knees, I'll ask, last chance for one last dance. 'Cause with you, I'd withstand all of illusion. I'd give it all, I'd give for us, give anything, but I won't give up. 'Cause you know, you know, you know I love you. I loved you all along. I miss you. Been far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. So far away, so far away, but far away for far too long. So far away, so far away, but far away for far too long. But you know, you know, you know I want it. I want you to stay, 'cause I need it. I need to hear you say that I love you. And I've loved you all along.
Eto. Hi, Erica. Happy birthday. Seryoso ko ah. Happy birthday. Wala na naman ako.
Babatiin babara.
Try new angle. Nakamutang hirap po na ng anggulo yung ano eh, yung lighting eh. Birthday to you. Re. Happy birthday. I love you.